dalam rangka pemberangkatan kegiatan study tour ke Pulau Dewata atau Bali. Anak-anakku semuanya, mari kita sejenak menundukkan kepala seraya bermohon bermunajat kepada Allah SWT dengan harapan mudah-mudahan apa yang akan kita laksanakan senantiasa diridhoi oleh Allah SWT.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I won't be there. Let's light up like the moon.
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands rolled. I turned him to gold and it took him higher. But I'll be a daydream, I'll wear your favorite things. We could be beautiful, get drunk on the good life. I'll take you to paradise. Say you'll never let me go. Deep in my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time only we knew how to wait. We could waste a night with an old film, smoke a little weed on the couch in the back room. How to wait. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go.
Halo, saya Raka dari SMK Pawiyatan Daya 1 Kediri. Jadi, SMK Pawiyatan Daya 1 Kediri ini sedang melakukan study tour untuk kelas 11 ke Bali. Nah, pertama-tama kita berangkat dari Kediri itu jam 12 siang dan sekitar pukul 17.30 kita mampir ke restoran atau rumah makan utama Raya Situbondo. Dan setelah itu kita juga mampir buat sholat dan juga bersih-bersih lainnya. Dan setelah itu kita juga terkena macet di Banyuwangi, tapi ternyata kita bisa melewati kemacetan itu dengan baik. Dan sampai pada akhirnya sekarang jam 12 malam tepat, sekarang kita berada di pelabuhan. Yuk ikuti keseruan kami dalam study tour kelas 11 di Bali.
Deep in my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time only we knew how to wait.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore.
Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
We're falling apart, still we hold together.
To the city in a broke down car.
That's the end, so we chase forever.
Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar.
Guess this is all we know.
I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds all over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your pose as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above.
Iki mawon lah wis. Selamat pagi Bali.
to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
We're falling apart, still we hold together.
To the city in a broke down car.
That's the end, so we chase forever.
Looking pretty in a hotel bar.
Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know. So babe, I told me closer down the tracks, straight on the city. I don't know you beautiful. Ain't your tattoos on your shoes? You tell me hit this and let's go. Blow the smoke right through the window. 'Cause this is like a movie.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. SMK Pauyat Tanda 1 Kediri saat ini sedang berada di Cening. Habis dari melihat tari barong dan dilanjutkan dengan belanja, dan alhamdulillah cuaca hari ini cerah meskipun sangat panas, tapi suasana hati cukup adem. Alhamdulillah anak-anak semua sehat. SMK Pauyat Tanda 1 Kediri sehat selalu.
Kesan dan kesan proses perjalanan tur Bali kali ini sangat seru sekali tentunya. Alhamdulillah anak-anak sehat, anak-anak menikmati, siswa-siswi SMK Pauyat Tanda 1 sangat antusias sekali dalam menyaksikan pertunjukan tari barong, dan selama proses perjalanan mereka sangat bahagia sekali tentunya, sangat senang dan meriah selama proses pertunjukan tadi.
I'm at the point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay, I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want to be, I'm okay, I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? I done left my life, get my peace of mind, better try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy past. And my happiness come first, I never come like this stress, yeah.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when
Menuju ke Joger. Setelah dari Joger nanti ke Bedugul. Cus pulang.
Ya. Nah, ke pagi ini sepertinya ramai sekali ke Joger ya.
everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you.
myself when I'm out here on my
Kita lagi diundang dalam
never
berapa?
seem to get it right, but I guess that's how it goes. But ever since you came around, can't nobody hold me down.
SMK 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 Pawiyatanda 1 Kediri.
Jaya, jaya,
Luar biasa.